welcome to the sponsor.
So guys, new upgrade. So the biggest storm is heading here only, and there are twin tornadoes.
Now record. Hello guys, welcome to my sponsor sticker. There are some flavors that you can see. One is the grape flavor.
Bro, you can't read on cam because it will be reversed. So yo guys, our sponsor is Skittles. We are living in India at the India Hills. We are living at the India Hills. We are like so near hill. So that's why tornadoes are getting common.
Yo guys, these are really hard to find, but we found it.
That's they're only found in USA, guys. But we go to CMR Central, and me and him tried out one, and then I buy, and then my dad buy them. Wait, first I gotta check for any security guard. And my dad buy a avocado that is 100, and is directly 100 waste. Literally tastes like blank. It tastes like blank shit. I don't want to never try it again, guys. Literally. Bro, what are you doing? Let's go.
Just wait. Yo bro. Yo guys, welcome to our sponsor, but this is kind of weird. Because there is one orange flower. There is grape flower.
Wait, do not put your finger on that. They can see. So guys, one Skittle is 100. We can buy 2 of them with the one avocado.
Yeah bro, wait. Yo guys. And it's special somehow because some are really rare to find.
But there is like so much lemon. So yellow is lemon. And some I don't know. But there is a little guy who came into the cam and then looking at the Skittles. They were like so rare. And objective. I had to find my mom. I mean, why?
And the brown one tastes like lemon.
Quickly, please check out the security guard. Guys, I'm spinning this thing. So we have to be coast clear. No security guards.
Our objective run until we find mom.
No,
Walk or run.
guys, I can't show because there are security guards. I think I'm gonna do like only a few kilometers run. So bye guys. Wait, actually I'm gonna pause and I'm gonna put this inside my pocket. And here we go. So yo guys, this is my friend, and also both of the security guards go.